There might be times when you create a document, share it out with your students, and want them to actually make the document their own and adjust it so that it works for them. There are two ways that you can do this, and I guess I would call cheat. I don't really like the Google Docs template environment. It's a little bit confusing for me. So I simply create a document and have people make copies of that document so that they can then rename it and make whatever changes they need. So today I'm going to show you the steps for creating a copy of a document and then renaming that copy. It's actually quite easy. When you're inside a document, you go to your File menu and choose Make a Copy. And you can see that it says Copy Document. Comments will not be copied to the new document. I can also copy this document to collaborators. So the way that I use this is if I have an agenda setting meeting with a work group and we meet once a month, I can use that same document layout, font, and basic information, and then each month create a copy and then just change the date and the content. Everything else is there for me. And if I clicked also copy the document collaborators, they get that document as well. So that's something you would think about. I'm going to go ahead and leave that deselected and go ahead and click OK. And what I want you to notice happens is up in my tabs of my web browser, here's my original document, writing assignment. Let's click on that. You can see it's complete with little comments over to the side. And then if I click on the new tab that was created, it's called Copy of Writing Assignment. As the note indicated, none of my comments came over, so it just copies the content of the document itself. Now I can simply rename this and start working with it. All I have to do is click up here in its name, and I will call this January Writing Assignment. Now, in my Google Docs, if I go home, the first thing that happens is that copy gets placed in my home. It doesn't automatically go to any collection or anything. It's just like taking a copy of a document and placing it on your hard drive. It's just going on your hard drive. It's not being put into a specific folder. You have to tell Google Docs where you want that document to be. So I'm actually going to take and put that document into my tutorials folder by dragging it. And then remember from previous tutorials, if I want, I can select this document and say don't show in my home. And now if I go to my tutorials collection, I should have two documents, my original writing assignment and my copy January writing assignment. So that's how you can make a copy of a document and make it useful for you.